Shalom everyone, this is the wine program about Israeli wines. You can find us in the web on www.israelwines.co.il. Nekuda is in Hebrew, so I used to say Nekuda.il. Israel Wines, the best website for Israeli wines, and we are today with the Southern winery in Israel called the Red Sea Winery. Uri Shachar is the winemaker and the owner, and he sits in Eilat, and all his grapes are coming from Karmei Yosef, from Yosef vineyards, which are in the Judea hills. And we're going to taste some four wines we're going to have here. We have the Merlot from 09, the Shiraz from 10, the Cabernet Sauvignon from 2010, and of course the unfiltered limited edition. He's calling Grand Vine from 2008. Prices: the three wines are 100 shekels, and this one is 140 shekels. So let's begin. Please forgive my English. I'm very excited. Usually when I speak English it's okay, but in front of the camera, you know, it's stressing. So, we'll start from the Merlot 09. Very cherry flavor. And not only cherry, you've got here strawberries also, with a hint of a mint on the nose. The palate is very gentle, very smooth, so it's a very good Merlot. Uri Shachar, you can be very proud. And now we go to the Shiraz. The Shiraz is very juicy, it's very... on the nose you can really feel some cassis and some pepper, black pepper. Spicy wine. Also here it's very mellow. The tannins are rounding with the fruits. It's very nice wine. Yeah. And the Cabernet Sauvignon from 10. Here you've got also cassis and blackberries and blueberries. Classic Cabernet. I don't know what to say more. Very nice. Tannins are really round and smooth, and perfect wine for a good steak. And now we have, this is the Grand Vine on the nose. Actually, big nose. Yeah, big shoulder wine. On the nose, he's got the cassis and the blackberries and the blueberries, like the 2010 bar, more intense, more deep, and you feel some chocolate and some like a forest ground, earthy kind of character. Beautiful wine, really. Uri Shachar, all the best. Thank you very much for watching us here in Israel Wines. This is a program about Red Sea Winery in Eilat. Cheers! L'chaim!